This storm will be remembered as a historic occurrence for many years to come. Authorities advised locals that it was too late for anyone who had not yet evacuated to do so safely as Ian pounded Florida's Gulf Coast in its last hours before it came ashore. U.S. Coast Guard workers have saved 3 Cuban migrants who tried to swim to land after their boat capsized during Hurricane Ian. They are receiving care in a nearby hospital for symptoms of dehydration and exhaustion. A helicopter search is in progress as 20 more migrants are still missing. One of the most powerful storms to hit the U.S. mainland recently, Ian had sustained winds that peaked at 155 miles per hour before making landfall.
But we haven't gotten the surge yet. The surge is coming this afternoon. Water's come down a lot. That neighbor, the water went into their home.